Well, hello there, friends. Another fantastic dish today. Wednesday night, the kids are hungry. Let's make them pasta jambalaya. Kind of like the chicken jambalaya, but with pasta, so no rice, pasta. It's gonna be delicious. I got all kind of shrimp in there. I got some chicken, I got some sausage. Beautiful with a penne pasta and a delicious sauce. I know you're gonna love it. Friends, remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned, we're making it together right now. Okay, friends, well, it's a little prep, but let me tell you, it is delicious. You probably, a lot of you probably have seen my chicken jambalaya. Same idea. Jack's going to give you the recipe. If you've never made that, chicken jambalaya is even easier. But this is delicious. I was thinking, the other night I went to a restaurant and jambalaya was not so good. I said, oh, man, I got to come and teach them how to make it. In the meantime, I'm going to make it for you with a pasta. Pasta jambalaya. Never heard of it before, but that's okay. We're going to have fun. Let me get to it right away. I got some oil going. I got my garlic olive oil right there. It's at 365 degrees. Yes, you know what that means? That means time to go. So I'll talk about it in a minute. I got those beautiful, look at this, beautiful U15 black tiger shrimp. I love them. I'm going to put them in now just to get some Maillard reaction to them. That means to get some nice color. I got some cut in bite size, and I got a couple of them big ones that we're going to use for decoration later on, friends. Okay, so all I'm going to do, let me get my salt and pepper out of the way, or in the way. I'm going to put a little salt, a little pepper, and then I'll talk to you. Pepper, I'm going to go light because the dish has got some cayenne pepper. It's got some Cajun spices in there, and so I'm going to go light on the black pepper. All I'm interested in doing here, friends, is to get some nice caramelization on the shrimp. Because, I don't know about you, but a poached shrimp, it's okay if you're making a shrimp cocktail, right? You want a water, but otherwise, I don't like it. I like it when it's got some nice color. The flavor you get out of a shrimp, then it's been sauteing, it's amazing. So, what we're going to do, friends, this is delicious. I'm telling you, you guys are going to love this dish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shrimp. I'm going to finish cooking them at the end. But right now, the smell is amazing. I love the smell of shrimp that are caramelizing in the pan. They're amazing. So in this dish, friends, we got a lot of stuff. We got shrimp. We got chicken. We got sausages. We got peppers, we got garlic. This is really amazing. This you could do. Wednesday night, the kids are hungry. Let's give them some jambalaya. I love the word, jambalaya. And no, really. That jambalaya, that would be something that if Paul Prudhomme would be proud of me making it, I'm telling you. Because it's going to be delicious. I've never had it with pasta. Normally when I make my jambalaya, I make it with the rice. I cook everything in one pot, which is a fantastic recipe. I don't know if I told you about that. We have a link on the channel. Jack is going to give you a link. It's amazing. Did I say that already? I'm repeating myself, right? That's okay. Look, we're going to take this out because we don't want to overcook them. All right, we really don't want to overcook them. All right, so we're going to take them out of there, friends. And then in that beautiful oil, then it's shrimpy oil now, we're going to saute the chicken and do the same deal. But first we're going to put the onion real quick. Okay, they're small, the onion. Cut them small. So we know onion is always number one. The shrimp didn't count. We didn't put them in there, right? The shrimp did not count, friends. You see, look. The onion got the color of the shrimp a little bit. And then we're going to put the chicken. So let me talk to you about the rest of the ingredients, friends. I know I started the video kind of quick, but the oil was hot, so I didn't want to mess it up. So I got a pound of chicken pieces that have been cut in little bite size, okay? Because it's a pasta dish. We don't want a big piece to go in there with a fork, right? So it's a boneless chicken breast. Yeah, no kidding, boneless. No, I wouldn't want to do it with a bone. So look, we gave the onion a little starch. We don't want to give him too much of a starch because I don't want the onion to be overcooked either, right? So What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a little color to the chicken. And as soon as I have a nice color on the chicken, I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients. But I'm going to tell you about the ingredients, okay? All right, so we can put a little bit of black pepper, very little, because like I said, it's going to get spicy in a minute, friends. We're going to put some of my Creole seasoning. Fantastic. And then we're going to put a little cayenne. Little cayenne because there's already cayenne in the Creole seasoning. Not enough, so I want to give it a boom. I want to give it a nice punch. All right? So we're going to continue cooking that. Then we got celery. You know, I always tell you guys, when you cut, try to make things the same size. I know I'm repeating myself, but you know, it's important because, and also, not only is it important for all of you that are new, that are regulars, for me to repeat myself, but remember, every week we got 10,000 new subscribers. We're on our way for 2 million. We're on our way for 2 million. We should get there in the next few months. But those new people, welcome. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. We love you guys. And the old one, we love you even more. So, what was I going to say? I forgot. Oh, yeah. I always insist. Then you cut things. All I want is some color in here, okay? I always insist, cut things the same size, okay? Not only does it look better, but it cooks at the same speed. They cook at the same speed. It's really not that difficult, okay? Put a little celery in there. Celery is going to take the longest, right? I got a, what was that? That was, okay, so a pound of chicken, 1 big onion, and the celery that was about, I don't know, 3/4 of a cup of celery, I don't know. A little bit of celery. Pick up whatever you got in the cooler. And then I got bell peppers. I got a half a bell pepper red and a half a bell pepper green. Does that mean if you don't have a green one, you can't do the recipe? No, just do the orange red. And if all you got is red, that's all. Don't worry about it. It's what I got. You know? Oh, look. We're getting some color in the chicken. You see? We're getting a little color in the chicken. Not a lot. This is a very simple recipe to do, friends. I promise you, you're going to love this. You're going to love it. I know you're going to love it because I love it. No, really, it's delicious. Look, we're going to put a little bit of Creole seasoning. This is going to give us a beautiful color and the flavor. A little bit of cayenne. Be careful with the cayenne. Eh? Oh, there you go. Be careful. Now, what I mean by that, I want you to have in the background, meaning you don't know right away, oh my goodness, there's cayenne in there. No, you don't want that. If you do that, that means you got too much. Okay, but here I think we can use a little more spice. It's starting to look good. It's going to take a little while to cook though. Not that long, but a little bit of water. All right, we'll put the peppers in there, friends. Okay, and did I tell you I cut them in nice little pieces? So what I do is I cut little nice julienne, right? Boom, boom. And then boom, boom, I cut them in little, again, I don't want them to be bigger than the pasta, right? I don't want to be bigger. It's really simple. It's simple to be a great cook. Sometimes you go to a restaurant, and the reason why I got the idea to do the jambalaya, again, the other day I went to that new Cajun restaurant. I had jambalaya. I'm like, Mamma mia. I need to go in their kitchen. And I'm not going to say the name, but it's in Fort Lauderdale. A little more Creole seasoning. A little more. So total, I would say a tablespoon and a half if you have to measure, but don't measure. Remember, it's cooking, friends. Okay, you don't measure when you cook. You try not to anyway, right? All right, so what do I got for herbs? I got tarragon and I got fresh thyme. If you can't find tarragon, don't worry about it. You can't find it. You're not going to go all over town to find it. But it's amazing because you should try to find some dry one. Because when you can't find the fresh, you can use dry. Dry tarragon is actually not very bad. I promise you, it's not very bad at all. So, 2 teaspoons of thyme and 2 teaspoons of tarragon. Chopped. The sausage is already cooked. It's kielbasa sausage. Smoked kielbasa sausage. Delicious. That's 12 ounces of sausage. 1 pound of chicken and about 8 ounces of chicken, of shrimp. All right, we're going to put the garlic. And remember now, a lot of you got that garlic, about a tablespoon and a half. There you go, 2 tablespoons. Put as much as you want. Don't measure. Look, you see me measuring? I don't measure. It doesn't matter. You don't need to measure. Relax, it's cooking. Okay? You don't relax. Have fun. All right, now we're going to put a little tomato in there. Okay, and I'm going to use some tomato puree. I got a cup of tomato puree. All right, cup of tomato puree. Voila. Pretty simple, huh? You notice? Sausage. My 12 ounces of sausage. We're going to mix all this up. It's going to start to take shape. And then, friends, we are going to take the shrimp, the chicken stock, and we're going to cook all this up. For stock, I'm going to add, this is a 4-ounce ladle. That's 1 and 2. And now we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. Let everything marry. Let some of that volume reduce. And then we're going to test for seasoning. We're going to add the pasta to it. The pasta is going to help us with consistency. And we're good to go. Let me test it. Let me adjust my seasoning, my friends. Let me adjust my seasoning. It's going to taste good. It's going to taste good, yeah. Yeah, it's tasting good, all right. Nice flavor. The only thing I don't like, it's a little thin. I may have put a little too much stock. We're going to cook it for a minute. Now, I know when I put my pasta in there, it's going to help, but I may have put just a touch more. So, friends, we're going to find out together if I messed up or not. It's delicious. All right, I'm going to cook it for a minute. I'll come back in a couple of minutes, okay? Okay, friends, well, I did, in fact, put a little too much stock, but I don't mind. I like it. But it is too liquid. You see, I don't like it so liquid. I know the pasta is going to give us some starch and it's going to help and everything, but it's a little thing. So let's put the shrimp back on because we need to get them hot. I just cooked a pound and a quarter of penne pasta. I just drained them and put a little butter on there, okay? Now, I want to thicken it a little bit, not a lot, because it's not bad. Look. It's still a little too liquid, a little too liquid, right? And so we're going to bring this to boil, right? Because remember, when you put cornstarch, friends, you have to bring it to boil, okay? Otherwise, you keep adding and it doesn't work. And I know it's got nothing to do with jambalaya, but we're going to put a little butter in there, if you don't mind. Just a little bit, okay? And a test. Oh, mamma mia. I'm telling you. Jack is dying over there. I'm telling you. It's the perfume right here is amazing. Oh, you got to do it. You got to do it. Okay, so a little bit of cornstarch. I'm telling you, very little, friends. Okay, look. Oh, that's it. We don't want to be no thick or anything. We don't want it to be too thick. Look at this. Okay, now, I'm serving it with pasta. You can serve it with rice. It'll be delicious. You can serve it with any kind of a pasta for sure. Mashed potatoes. You know what? You don't have to serve with anything. You can just eat it like this because let me tell you, is that beautiful or what, Jack? You know what's going to make it more beautiful? Yep, you are correct. It's going to make it more beautiful. Here you go, just a little bit. Don't worry. You don't have to put a lot, okay? Just a little bit. Oh, yeah, look. It's coming alive. Turn the heat off. Be careful, I'm checking to make sure the heat was off. When you put the butter, always put the heat off, okay? It'll separate on you. Remember, butter is beurre. That's in French. Butter is an emulsion. Okay, we want to keep the emulsion together, so you don't want to bring it to boil because that's how you do clarified butter. What does clarified butter do? It separates. Mamma mia. Look at this, look at this. Okay, friends, I got my pasta right here. They waited a few more minutes than they're supposed to, but it's okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it the way I would do at home, okay? I hope it fits. I'm going to pour it all in here. There you go. Here you go. Oh my goodness, I went in the wrong burner, Jack. You got it? You good? You want me to move back over here? Here you go. All right, look at this, friends. Look at this. The pot is a little small, I have to admit. Wonder if it would have worked easier in the wok. What do you think? I think it might work easier in the wok. Do we try it? Jack is going, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, we try it. Don't tell any other YouTuber that I did this because look at the mess I just made. It didn't fit in there, Jack. You see? Yes, it's gonna look good. Yes. Oh, mamma mia. But it didn't fit in there, so don't do it. You see, friends, I make mistakes so you don't do it. That's the only reason why I make mistakes. So you don't do it. Mamma mia. It's okay, friends. It's going to be delicious. All right, let me make myself a plate. Wow, we got a lot of food here, friends. I tell you what, this is going to be delicious. And you know, we know we're not Italian today because we're not putting any cheese in there. I know some of you are going to say, what? No cheese? No cheese, friends. No cheese. This is a plate of pasta, okay? This, my friend, is a plate of pasta. Look at this. It smells amazing. Look at this. Okay, and now, of course, I don't have it ready, but you can put some beautiful thing here to decorate your serving plate, friends. You can put shrimp all the way around it. Look at this. You see, now you know why the shrimp at the beginning were beautiful, right? And you can decorate it with some tarragon spring, some parsley spring. Oh, mamma mia. You can put so many things in here. Let me have myself a fork. And this is a beautiful dish. And the pasta are perfect. The shrimp, I'm not going to put too much in my mouth. In the meantime, I'm taking one more. Oh, yeah. Friends, actually a gorgeous dish. Easy to make, different. I hope you make it. It's delicious. I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell, okay? Thanks for watching, friends. Thanks. Wow. I don't listen to you no more. Yeah, it'll work. Yeah, it didn't work. That's okay. It was my idea first. I know. I know. But look how beautiful it looks, eh? It's gorgeous. I think they're gonna love it. All right, we are ready to eat because I'm hungry. Let's eat.